Hey guys, today this video is going to show you how to make 3D dolphin. For this project, I have made two different designs. This one is dolphin and this one is whale. I decided based on my 2D dolphin, they are exactly the same, except this one is 3D and this one is 2D. And today I'm going to make this one. First, we're going to make this two part. We're going to set our loom has a little bit here and keep your red arrows point away from you. For the side fan, I'm going to take one single band, place right here, first to second on your left, single band, for 3 times. Take one single band, from second to third on the center, single band, from third on the center to third on your left. Now we're going to place horizontal band here. Take one single band, twist it. You'll see 2 rings here. Place right here. Take one single band, twist it. 1, 2, 3. So you'll see 4 loops here. This is one of the side fan. And for the fan, we're going to need 2 pieces. So we're going to make one more piece of this. I'm going to take one single band, place right here between 2 pegs, going up for 3 times. Take another single band, going from here, 1 band, from center to your left. Take one single band, twist it. You'll see 2 loops here. Place right here, from here to here. Now take one single band, twist it. 1, 2, 3. So you will see 4 rings here. Now on your loom, it should look like this. Now we're going to rotate our loom and start looping. Grab the bottom one, look it to the next one. Next, we're going to look for this band. Grab it, look it to the center here. Grab the bottom one, look it to the next one. Now we're going to come back here, grab the bottom one, look it to the next one. And when you're done here, you can take it out. After you take it out, take one single band, bring it in here. Now we're gonna tie a knot here. And this is one of the fan. Now we're gonna continue on here, finish another one. Grab the bottom one, look it to the next one. Look for this band, grab it, look it to the center. Grab the bottom one, look it to the next one. Now when you're done, the same, take it out. And after you take it out, take one single band, bring it in here. The same, tie a knot here. Now we finish 2 side fins. Next, we're going to make the top part here. We're going to start with red arrows point away from you. Take one single band, start it from first to second on your left. Do one more time. From third on your left to fourth on the center. Come back here. Going this way for 4 times. 2, 3, and 4. Come back here on your right, first to second. Second on your right to third on the center. Take one single band, twist it, 1, 2, 3. So you see 4 rings here. Place right here. Take one single pin. Place right here. Now we're gonna load tail loom and start looping. For here, this cap band has 4 loops, so it's gonna be a little bit tight. Grab the bottom one, hook it to the next one. Next one, look for this band. Should be the one on the top. Grab it, hook it to the next one. Look for this one next. Bring it up, hook it to your left. Now come back here, grab the bottom one, hook it to the next one. Come back here, grab the bottom one, hook it to the next one. Okay, after you're done here, we're going to take one single band. Bring it through here. Now we're going to tie a knot here. Take one loop through the others. Pull it. Do the same thing on the center and on your right. Tie a knot here. Now, after you're done, we can pull it out. And this is our top fin. Next, we're gonna make its tail. The same, start with red arrows point away from you. For the tail, we're gonna take one single band. Start from first to second on your left, 2, second to third, 2 more. Repeat this step and do it on your right. 1, single band, 2, and 2. Take one single band and 1. Now we're going to take one single band, twist it, 1, 2. So you will see 3 rings here. Take another single band, twist it, 1, 2. Now we're going to take one single band, make an upside down triangle here, and bring this part in here. Next, take one single band, make an upside down triangle. Now we're going to twist it and make another half loop in here to the center. So for this one, it's 1 and half loop. Now we're going to load tail loom and start looping. Grab the bottom 2, hook it to the next one. Bottom 2, hook it to the next one. Bottom 1, hook it to the next one. Bottom 1, hook it to the next one. Come back here. Bottom 2, hook it to the next one. Bottom 2, bottom 1. And when you're done here, collect all 3 loose ends and keep it on your hook. Take it out. And this is its tail. Now we're going to take one single band, twist it, make it into 2 loops first, and bring this part in here. So this part's going to look like this. Now I'm going to put both ends on your hook and keep it on your hook for now. Now we have all the fin and tails. So next we're going to make its body. For the body part, we're going to reset our loom. For those of you who does not have Rainbow Loom, if you cannot adjust your loom, you can use this 4-peg and do the same thing. You can work on this part amongst the tail as well. For those of you who has Rainbow Loom, we're gonna reset our loom. Take your hook, remove this part. Turn it over and remove the center part. Now we're gonna use 8 pegs in the center. We're gonna start with red arrows point to your right. So this open part will be to your right. Now we're gonna take this tail and bring this out. Press on one of the peg here and bring this end to here. So now the tail is right here. Take another single band, twist one time. You'll see 2 loops here. Press right here between these 2 pegs. So these 2 is a cross from each other. So at this point, we only use this 4 peg. Now we're going to press our first layer, take 1 single band. Press between these 4 pegs, go all the way around. So this is our second layer. So you should see 2 layers, 2 bands on each peg. Now we're going to start looping. And these sides are the same, 2 layers. Bring the bottom layer, move it over. Bottom layer, move it over. Bottom layer, move it over. This is our second layer. Now we're going to do one more layer with 4 pins. Take 1 single band, going around all the way, come back here. Take the bottom there, bring it inside, bottom there, bring it inside. Bottom there, bring it inside, bottom there, bring it inside. Now we have 2 layers of 4 pins. Now we're gonna use 6 pins for next layer. So we're gonna bring one of the pins from here, move it over here, and take one of the pins from this peg, move it over here. It doesn't matter which one. I usually just grab the top one. Now next layer, we're going to press single bands going all the way around between these 6 pegs. Take 1 band. Now the same, on these 2 pegs only have 3 bands, so we bring the bottom layer, which only have 1 band, move inside, bottom one, move inside, and here, bottom layer has 2 bands, so bring both of them, move inside, and repeat this step, do it on this side, bring the bottom one, bottom 2. So for these 6 pegs, we're going to make 1 more layer. Take 1 single band. Going this way, all the way, come back here. take the bottom there. Okay, now we have 2 layers of 6 peg. So next layer, we're gonna move this, bend it to the egg peg. Take the top one, move it here. Take top bend, move it here. So the next layer, we're gonna use this egg pegs. Now for the next layer, we're gonna use these egg pegs, but we're gonna start pressing the white bands on its tummy. So we're gonna press white band on these 3. So we're gonna use 1 white band, press right here, and the rest of it are gray. Take 1 single white, and this is white. On this layer, these 3 bands is white. The rest of it are gray, all the body color. And now, I'm gonna grab the bottom one, move it inside. Bottom there, move inside. Bottom 2, move inside. Bottom 2. Do the same thing on this side. Bottom 1, bottom there, move it inside. Bottom 2, move it inside. Bottom 2, move inside. We're gonna repeat this step and do it 1 more time. Take 1 single white. Great. One white and 1 white. Now we're gonna start looping again. Grab the bottom 2, hook it to the next one. Bottom 2, hook it to the next one. Repeat this step. Do it on this side. Next 3 layers, we're gonna add these 3 pieces on it. So it's gonna be a little bit different, but the same thing, we're gonna keep it in this egg peg. So take 1 single white. Great. Great. For the next one here, we're gonna add this. This is the top fan here. So we're gonna start from the bottom one. Release this band. And we're going to take this band, place right here. So this part will attach to the body. Take 1 single band. And this part is still white. Okay, now start looping. Grab the bottom there, move it inside. Now next layer. This band is white. Great. Great. And now we're gonna take this part and take the center one, the one in the middle. Release it. And press right here. And continue on here. 2 gray, white and white. Now start looping, bottom layer, put it inside. Now next layer, we're gonna add these 2 side fans right here. So we're gonna take 1 white band first and take this part, release it and press right here. One single band. Now this top fan still have 1 more, so we're gonna press right here. So now we're done with attaching this part. Take 1 single band, take another side fan, and press right here. Take 1 white band, 1 white band. Now we can start looping again. Grab the bottom layer, move it inside, bottom layer, bottom layer, okay, now we're going to push down all the band. Okay, now we want to stop a little cotton ball in here on the tail part, so that way it will be easier later. You can do this part later, but I like to do it now so it won't be too hard when it gets longer. Take a piece of the cotton and then stuff it inside here like this. Okay, next we're gonna do 4 more layers with this egg peg. Take 1 white band, gray, gray, gray. For the next 3 layers, you just go all the way around. We don't need to attach anything. Remember, come back here, it's white and white. So these 3 is the white, the rest of it is the body color. Put in the bottom there, inside. Bottom there. This is first layer. Okay, next one, I'm gonna add its eyes on here. Eyes, we're gonna add it right here and here. For the rest of it are the same. Take one white, great. Take one black band, twist it, 1, 2, 3. So you see 4 rings here. Take one gray, or its body color, bring it in here, place right here. Take one more gray. Now I'm gonna place another eyes right here. Take one black, twist it, 1, 2, 3. So you see 4 rings here. Take one single band, bring it in here. One gray, white, and white. Okay, the same. Bring the bottom layer in here. Now we can stuff some more cotton ball in the center. Like this. And we can add more later. Gonna push all the bands down. For the next layer, we're gonna move these 2 pegs in here. So you'll become 6 pegs. So we're gonna take this. Be careful when you transfer the bands. You don't want to lose it right now. Move it over here. Take this band, move it over here. Now this peg has 4 bands. We're going to bring the bottom there, bring it in here. Bottom there, bring it in here. So the next layer will be only these 6 pegs. Now we're going to take one white. This part still keep it in white, and then this is body color. For these 6 pegs, we're only gonna do 1 layer. Remember here it's white and white. Now, gonna loop the bottom there, move it inside. Bottom there, move it inside. Next layer, I'm gonna move these 2 pegs in here. Be careful. And move these 2 in here. After you move these 2 pegs in here, we're going to loop the bottom part first. You should see 4 bands here. Move the bottom there, move it inside. Bottom there, move it inside. Now before we close up here, we're going to put some more cotton ball in here. Stuff it in here. Okay, now next 2 layers, we're only going to work on this 4 peg. Gray, 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 and this part is white. Gray for this strip, and this one is white. Now on the bottom there, inside, bottom there, inside. Okay, now after we're done here, we're gonna close up here. So we're gonna take these 4 pegs, collect all of them. Make sure you don't lose them. Okay. Now we're gonna take one single band and bring everything through here and tie a knot here. And here is our little cute dolphin. If you like this video, subscribe, like, comment and share. Thank you for watching. See you next time.